and I'm feeling the smell. Hey beauties, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. And if you are new here, welcome to Real Divine. My channel is all about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you are interested in, please do not hesitate to press that subscribe button down below. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. Right before I go on, you can go ahead and click up above so you can see about this new Christmas Star palette. I did a review on it, but for this video, of course, we're gonna have a review on Better Not Pout. All right, so we have 4 different flavors, and I say flavors because it says it smells like each of them. We have peppermint bark, eggnog, spice cake, and sugar plum. So let's go ahead and open these, see if they actually smell like all of them and smell legit. So try them all. Okay, let's first start with peppermint bark. And they hit it right on the head. It smells just like peppermint, you guys. Okay. It smells so good, you guys. Look at that. I'm actually happy I really got this. Like, you guys see that? Like, that is so cute. Toothpaste, you hit it on the head again. And it smells really good. Like, it smells like peppermint, but then I'm getting this other smell that is probably the bark. But it smells bomb. Like, it smells really good, and my lips feel super moisturized. So let's go ahead and take this off and try the next one. Obviously the formula is the same with the consistency, so I don't have to mention it for each of them. That would just be ridiculous. So this one is eggnog. You know, it smells like, I think I'm getting cinnamon vibes, like it smells cinnamony, you know? It smells really good. Obviously, this smells like cinnamon. Like, comment down below if you think that cinnamon and eggnog, peppermint, I'm saying cinnamon because the eggnog smells like cinnamon to me. But tell me if the peppermint and the eggnog looks really similar to you guys. Obviously, you can't smell it from the screen. But does it look kind of similar? I mean, it looks pretty similar to me, you know, on the outside it looks like this, but they look almost alike. Next, we're trying spice cake. All right, this is spice cake, super cute. Spice cake smells more like, okay, so eggnog smells like a mild cinnamon smell, like it smells like cinnamon low-key, and then spice cake smells like cinnamon just like action. Okay, I'm feeling this one. I'm feeling the other two too, but I feel like they're really similar, so you have like 2 of the same color that smells different. But this one, I'm really getting some good color out of it. I hope you guys see the difference. This is really cute. I'm feeling this one a lot. And I'm feeling the smell. All right, you guys, last but of course not least, like, who knows, it may be better than the other 3. Okay, is sugar plum. It smells like a typical lip gloss smell with extra sweetness to it. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see my lips? Like, are these lip glosses worth the money? Worth the $26 you get for these 4? Yes, if you are someone who loves lip gloss, because if you don't love lip gloss, because my mom, she's not much of a lip gloss person. She loves her matte lipstick. Me, I'm a lip gloss freak, so of course I'm gonna be all over something like this. But if you do, like I said, this is totally worth the $26 for you. I think this is a perfect Christmas gift for someone who loves lip gloss like me. Thank you for tuning in to Real Divine. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, Merry Christmas. If you're watching this during Christmas time, you know what? Even if you're not, I hope you still have a beautiful, blessed Christmas and a Happy New Year. And don't also forget to have a beautiful, blessed day because you guys are all beautiful people.